make our own sundial. For this, material required are scale, protractor, scissors, glue, wooden board and cardboard. To make our own sundial, we need a piece of cardboard, from this cardboard we need to make a right angle triangle ABC. So the angle C of the triangle should be equal to the latitude of our city where we want to make sundial, and angle A should be 90 degree. So in our city the latitude is 18 degree. So in this way this triangle is needed. So let us measure once again the angles. The angle at A should be equal to the 90 degree. So the angle C is equal to the latitude of our city. Here it is 18 degree. So now we have to cut into separate from the cardboard to make our sundial. Fix the cardboard triangle vertically in the middle of a rectangular wooden board. Glue strips of paper along both edges of BC and the wooden board to make the triangle stand erect. Place the board with triangle on level ground in an open space which gets sunlight throughout the day. Base BC of the triangle should be placed in the north-south direction with B pointing to the north. At 9 in the morning, draw a line along the shadow of the side AC on the wooden board. Write the time alongside the line. Draw lines of shadow of side AC at 1 hour intervals throughout the day till sunset and mark the time for each line. Now observing the time 10 am, 11 am, 12 noon, 1 pm, 2 pm, 3 pm, 4 pm and at 5 pm. In this way, by using sundial, we can know the time by using the lines drawn along the shadow of side AC.